Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Tata Bolt? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? This guide answers all your questions, helping you locate and understand every fuse easily. Engine compartment fuse box. The Tata Bolt engine compartment fuse box protects critical electrical components like the engine, headlights, and cooling system. It contains fuses and relays that prevent damage from electrical overloads and short circuits. Battery-mounted fuse box. The Tata Bolt battery-mounted fuse box safeguards high-current circuits like the starter and alternator, ensuring efficient power distribution and protection from overloads. Cabin compartment fuse box. The Tata Bolt cabin compartment fuse box controls and protects interior electrical functions like power windows, infotainment, and cabin lighting. It prevents damage from electrical faults by housing fuses and relays for various accessories. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for the correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagram is helpful, give a like or subscribe for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching.